In video editing, B-roll is the supplemental footage that is intercut with your main footage, called A-roll. I have added a few videos to the timeline from the libraries. Then I place 2 video clips into the second layer, or I can say as B-roll. For making the smooth appearance, let's apply some animation to these videos. Go to the Animation In tab first and choose the animation you like. Similarly, apply an out animation to the video. Now moving towards the second B-roll clip. For this clip, I'm going to apply combo animations. These are the combinations of in and out animations. And there you have it.